Hello my students, grade 3, how are you? Today we'll solve a quiz contains of 50 questions. First question here, talk about the time. Is the time is 3:45 p.m. How many minutes until 4 p.m.? We can find the difference between two times. 4 hours subtract by 3 hours and 45 minutes. We know 0 minus 45 we can't do it. So you must borrow 1 from 4, it will be 3. Borrow 1 hour. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Then 60 minus 45 equal what? 0 minus 5 we can't do it. So you must borrow 1. 10 minus 5 equal 5 and 5 minus 4 equal 1. 3 minus 4, 3 equals 0. Then the result will be 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Understood? Or you can find the difference between them. Look at first clock. He tell us the time was 3 and 45. 3 o'clock and 45 minutes. Like this. We have 12 and 3, 6 and 9. It's 3 o'clock and 45 minutes. Going to 4, okay? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. To go from 3 and 45 to 4 o'clock, we have 50 minutes. So we need to eat 50 minutes. So the result here will be letter B. It's a quarter to 4. To be 4 o'clock, we must eat 15 minutes. So you must choose letter B. Next question. How many sides does a pentagon have? We have pentagon like this. This polygon we call that pentagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. The pentagon has 5 sides. Choose letter B. Okay. Next question. Number 2. Sarah has 24 stickers. She gave 6 to her friend. How many stickers does she have left? Left here remains to the remainder. We can write 24 subtract by 6. Okay. 24 subtract by 6 equal what? 4 minus 6 we can't do it. So you must put 1. Then 14 minus 6 equal 8. And then 1 minus 0 equal 1. The result will be 18. The result here will be 18 stickers. It shows letter B. Okay. Next question. What's time 9 product by 7? 9 times 7 equals 7 product by 9. We can find the result from table 7. Or you can write 7 product by 9 equal 10 minus 1. And then using distributive properties, 7 times 10 equals 70 and 7 times 1, 7. Then find the difference between them. 70 minus 7 equal what? 0 minus 7 we can't do it. Or 1. It will be 10 minus 7 equal 3 and the right 6. The result will be 3. Or you must know the table. 7 times 9 equal 9 times 7 equals 63. Or you can use this method to find the result. Okay? Next question number 4. What's the perimeter of square with side length 6 centimeter? We know square has 4 sides are equal lengths 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the perimeter of E square equals side product by 4. Or we can write this formula 4 product by S. This here refers to one side. We have the length of square was 6 centimeters. In the perimeter 4 product by 6 equal 24 centimeter. Okay, the perimeter of square, because square has 4 sides equal a length, and the measure of each angle equal 90 degree. Okay. Next question number 5. If a farm has 8 chickens and each chicken lays 3 eggs per day, how many eggs are laid in one day? We can write product between 3 times 8. We have 8 chickens and each chicken has 3 eggs per day, lays 3 eggs per day. So the total number of eggs we can write 8 product by 3. 3 times 8 equals 24. Then the total will be 24 eggs. Choose letter C. Next question number 6. A bar graph showing the most students like apples. What this means? Let's example, apples are the most liked. if we have graphical about the number of people and what's the favorite fruit here about apples, it's meaning the most repeating, it's meaning apples are the most liked. Choose letter C because the most students like apples. We have likes apples, banana, and strawberry. So the most repeating here, what the most repeating in the graph shows the most students like apples. So it's meaning apples are the most liked. Question 12. How many hours are there in 2 days? Okay, we know 1 day equal 24 hours. 1 day equal 24 hours. Then 2 days equal 24 product by 2 or 24 plus 24 because 1 day equal 24 hours. Then if you want to find the number of hours in 2 days, you must add 24 by itself twice or 24 times 2. 2 times 2 equal 4 and 2 times 4 equal 8. The result will be 48. Okay, 2 times 4 equal 8, 2 times 2, 4, result to be 48 hours. Then the number of hours in 2 days equal 48 hours because 1 day equal 24 hours. So the number of hours will be 48 hours. Choose letter D. Question number 8. A car travels 60 kilometers in 1 hour. How far will it travel in 3 hours? Okay, you tell us in 1 hour. It's the distance car travels 60 kilometers. Then we want find the distance at 3 hours. 1, 2, 3, 3 hours. The result will be 3 times 60. The result will be 180 hours. 180 kilometers in 3 hours. Okay, again, a car travels 60 kilometers in 1 hour. How far will it travel in 3 hours? 1 hour and 1 hour and 1 hour equal 3 hours. Then to find the total distance at 3 hours, you can write 3 product by 60 or 60 plus 60 plus 60. The result will be 180 kilometers. Question number 9. How many quarters make a whole number? Like this. This circle, we can divide it into 4 parts. Each part raised to 4th. Then, whole number equal 4th plus 4th plus 4th plus 4th. Then, 1 equal 4th plus 4th plus 4th plus force. We add force plus force plus force plus force 4 times. Its meaning 1 equal 4 product by force. Okay. Then the number of quarter in whole number it will be 4. Choose 4. Understood? How many quarters make whole? Make a whole? It will be 1 over 4 and 1. 1 over 4 and 1, 1 over 4, 1 over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The result will be 4. Okay, choose letter C. Next question, number 10. If school starts at 8 a.m. and ends at 2 p.m., how many hours is a school day? We can find the difference between the end and the start. A school end at 2 o'clock. Subtract by 8 o'clock. 8 here goes to a.m. and 2 p.m. 2 p.m. here goes to after 12. 12 plus 2 equals 14. Then we can find the difference between them. 2 p.m. It's meaning 12. We can add 2 to 12 equal 2 to 12 equal 14. Okay. Again, in this example, we can find the difference between the end 2 p.m. subtract by 8 a.m. Okay. 2 p.m. it's meaning 2 plus 12. It will be 14. So we can find the difference between 14 hours and 8 hours because 2 p.m. after the noon. 2 plus 12 equals 14. 14 minus 8 equals 6. So the difference between them equals 6 hours. Okay? Or you can count in your hand when you go to school. It start at 8 a.m., 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. We can write find the difference again. 2 from 2 to from 8 to 9, 8 going to 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, and 2, 6 hours, okay? You can count here another method from 2 o'clock or 8 o'clock in the morning going to 9, from 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 going to 12, 12 to 1 o'clock, and 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 hours, okay? You can use this method or this method as you like. So the result here will be letter C, okay? Next question. If a chocolate bar costs 7 reals, how many bars can you pay with 28 reals? We can write 28 divided by 7 because the total cost was 28 reals and the price of one bar is 7 reals. So we can write the price here. 28 divided by 7 can find the number of bars. How we can find the result? By using divided. 28 divided by 7. 7 times what equal 28? You can ask it yourself. 7 times 4 equal 28. Then the number of bars will be 4. Choose letter C. The result here will be letter C. Okay, the number of bars will be 4. Next question, number 12. Which number is multiple of both 3 and 5? 3 times 5 equal 15. We can write 3 by 5 equal 15. It's the result, okay? Next question. How many minutes are in half an hour? We know 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes. And then half hour equals 30 minutes. Half hour equals 30 minutes. So you must choose letter B. You want to find how many minutes are in half an hour. It will be 30 minutes. Question 14. Which tool is the best for measuring the length of pencil? We can find the length of the pencil by using the ruler. Okay, choose letter C. We use the ruler to find the measure of a pencil. So the tool is the best. The best tool is we will use here. We will use it will be what ruler. Choose letter C. Which tool is the best measuring the length of a pencil? It will be a ruler. Choose letter C. Next question, number 15. Which fraction equivalent 4 over 8? We know 4 over 8 is meaning 1 over 2 because 8 half of 8 equal 4. Then the result will be 1 over 2. And we can simplify it also by divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 equal to 8 divided by 2 equal 4. Then the result will be 2 over 4 and 1 over 2. Choose letter A and letter B and letter C. Okay, letter C is correct. Because in letter C, write both A and B. A and B is correct. A correct and B correct. Because we can divide it by 2 numerator and numerator to simplify this fraction. 4 divided by 2 equal 2 and 8 divided by 2 equal 4. And then we can divide it. Next step, 2 divided by 2, 1 and 4 divided by 2 equal 2. Then the result will be 1 over 2 is the simplest form. Then you must choose letter C. Okay. Next question. If Ahmed pays a toy for 45 reals and pays with a 50 reals note, how much change will he get? 45 real and pays 50 real note. We can find the difference between them. Okay, because he pays to 45 reals and pays with a 50 reals note. Okay, so how much change will he get? He will get the difference between 45 and 50 real note. Find the difference between them. 50 minus 45, it will be 5. So we can find the difference between 50 reals and 45 because he pays a toy for 45 reals. And he won't find how much change will he get. What is the remainder with him? We can find the difference. 0 minus 5, we can't do that. So you must put 1. 10 minus 5 equals 5. 4 minus 5 equals 0. Then the result will be 5 reals. The result will be 5 reals, okay? Next question. Number 17. What is 48 divided by 6? 48 divided by 6 equal what? You must ask it yourself. 6 times what equal 48? We know 6 by 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equal 42. 6 times 8 equal 48. Then 48 divided by 6 equal 8. we must write 8. Choose letter C. The result will be letter C. Next question. If a bottle holds 2 liters of water, how many liters is this? We know 1 liter contains of 1000 milliliter. So to convert from 2 liter to milliliter, we must reduct by 1000. Then 2 liter, it will be 2000 milliliter. Okay? Choose letter C about this example number 18. Next question. Number 19. If you turn 90-degree clockwise from north, which direction are you facing? Or facing? Okay, which direction are you facing? Okay, we have north, directions north, south, east, west. North, south, east, west. He told us if you turn 90-degree clockwise, clockwise it's meaning with the clock, with the direction with clock. About 90 degree, we will going to the east, going to the east because he tell us you turn 90-degree clockwise, clockwise with the direction of clock, the clock direction like this from north, east, west, south, and so on. Okay, so 90-degree from this position to this position. Okay, we can going to the west from east, first north, south, east, west. We will going to the east. Okay, the result here will be letter A, going to the east. Next question. A classroom has 5 rows with 4 desks in each row. How many desks are there in total? We can find the total by product number of row and how many desks in each one. How many desks each one? We have row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each one contains of 4 desks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the result will be product between 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the total number will be 5 product by 4. The number of row product is the number of columns. Each row contains of 4 disks. Then the total disks here will be 4 times 5 equal 20. Then the result will be 20. Okay. Next question number 21. What comes next the pattern? 5, 10, 15, 20. It will be 25. He ate 5 in the same time. So the result here will be 25. Choose letter C. Next question. Question number 22. If a pizza is cut into 8 slices and you eat 3, what fraction is left? Okay, we have 8 parts like this. I will divide the pizza to 8 parts and I will eat, or you eat 3 parts. So the remainder here will be how many parts remainder? We can write 8 minus 3 equal 5. So the fraction about 5 parts, it will be 5 over 8. The result here will be 5 over 8 because he asked about the lift. The remainder here to be 5 parts from 8 parts. Which queen has highest value? We know a queen like this. We have 1 real and 2 real only. So he asked about what? The highest value, it will be 2 real. Choose letter B. 2 reals. Okay? Understood? He asked about what? Queen. You know queen? Like this. We have 1 real or 2 real. So the result will be 2 real. Choose letter B here. Question number 24. If the area of square is 36 square centimeter, what is the length of one side? We know square has 4 sides equal length, and the area of square equal side by side. So the length of the one side, it will be what? Ask yourself. 36. What is the number product by itself equals 36? It will be 6. 6 times 6, 36. Then the length of one side, it will be 6 centimeter. Okay, the result will be 6 centimeter. Choose letter C. Because 6 by 6 equals 36. The area of square equals side by side. Next question, 25. If a room is 4 meters long, how many centimeters is it? We can convert 4 meter to centimeter by product 100. We know 1 meter and then centimeter, millimeter. And we have also kilometer. To convert from kilometer to meter, you must product by 1000. From meter to centimeter product by 100. From centimeter to millimeter product by 10. And when you go from millimeter to centimeter, you must divide it by 10. And here divided by 10 also. And there divided by 1000. So in this example, to convert from meter to millimeter or meter to centimeter, you must product by 100. 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. Then 4 meter, it will be equal 400 centimeter. Next question. Question number 26. What's the product of 12 by 5? We know 12 times 5, we can use distributive properties or write product 2 times 5 equal 10, 0, and carry up 1. 1 by 5, 5, 5 plus 1 equals 60. You can use this method or use another method by write 5 product by 12, 12 equal 10 plus 2, and using here distributive property. Distributive property, to find the result, you must write 5 product by 10 in the first step, plus second step 5 product by 2. 5 times 10 equal 50, and 2 times 5 equal 10. In the result here, it will be 60, the sum of two results. So the result will be 60, okay? Next question. 27. If a box contains 24 chocolates and is divided equally among 4 children, how many chocolates does each child get? We can write 24 divided by 4. We must use this operation to find the result. 24 divided by 4. We know 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Then each child will get 6 chocolates. The result here will be letter C. Next question. 28. How many meters are there in 1 kilometer? We know 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. So you must choose letter D, because 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. You can keep in your mind, your hand, kilometer, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. To convert from kilometer to meter, you must product by 1000. To convert from meter to centimeter, you must product by 100. From meter to centimeter, product 100. From centimeter to millimeter, you must product by 10. Okay, so the result here will be 1000 because 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. Next question number 29. If the time is 9:30 a.m., what is 2 hours later? Okay, we can write 9 hour and 30 minutes add to 2 hours. The result will be 30 minutes and 11 hours. The result will be 11 hours at 30 minutes. Okay, choose letter B, AM, at AM, because 9 and 30 AM, and we will eat 2 hours. The result will be 11 and 30 minutes. 11 hour, and it will be 11 o'clock and 30 minutes. Next question. What is the sum of 345 and 678? We can write 345 8 to 678. 8 plus 5, 8 in your head and 5 in your hand. Just after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Write 3 here and carry up 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 7 equal 12. 2 and carry up 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 6 equal 10. So the result here will be 1023. 1023. 1023. Choose letter B about this example. Question 32. A farmer has 56 apples and puts them into bags of 8. How many bags does he have? We can write the total 56 apples divided by the number of bags 8. Then each bag will be contains what? You must ask yourself. 8 times what equals 56? We know 8 times 7 because 7 times 8 equals 56. Then the number of we have here, how many bags? The number of bags, it will be 7. Again, farmer has 56 apples and puts them into bags of 8. How many bags does he have? He has 7 bags. Each bag contains of 8 apples. Okay, again, farmer has 56 apples and puts them into bags of 8. Each bag contains of 8 apples. Then the number of bags, it will be 7. The result will be letter B. Next question. The time is 7 and 15 minutes. 15 and 57 and quarter p.m. What is the time 45 minutes ago? We can find the difference between them. 7 o'clock and 15 minutes subtract by 45 minutes. We can find the difference between hours and minutes. First step, we know 15 minus 45, we can't do it. So you must borrow 1 from 7 hours, it will be 6 hours. And borrow 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 60 plus 15 equals 75. Subtract by 45 minutes, and then we can find the difference. 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 4 equals 3, and 6 subtract by 0 equal 6. Then the result will be 6 and half. 6 and half p.m. Choose letter A. Or you can solve this example by another method. Like this, you can draw a clock here, and we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And the time here was 7 and quarter. He asked about the time 45 minutes ago. Look at here, 45 it will be 6. Going to 6, okay? Because 7, 45, subtract by 45 minutes ago. It has 7 and 15 minutes. Cancel from it 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes, it will be 6. And what we can find the difference between 7 and 15 and 45 minutes. For 1, it will be 6 and 6 hours, and 60 plus 15 equals 25. 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 4 equals 3, and the result will be 6 and half. Okay, going left hand side here, the direction he asked about was the time 45 minutes ago. This long hand going to here, see first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, going here. Then the result will be 6 and half. The clock will be 6 and half. Understood? You can remove the long hand from this place to this place. Go back, not with twice clock. No, no. Inverse direction. Going the inverse direction, going 6 and half. Next question here, 34. What is the area of rectangle with length of 10 centimeter and width 4 centimeter? We know the area of rectangle equal length product by width. Then the result will be here, the point area equal length product by width. The length here was 10 product by 4. It will be 40 square centimeter because the area of rectangle equal length times width. The result will be 40 square centimeter. It shows the 3D. He asked about what? The area, okay? If he asked about perimeter, you can find twice sum of length and width and reduct by 2. The sum of them, length plus width, reduct by 2. If he won't find the perimeter, because the perimeter equal twice the sum of length and width. But he asked about the area. The area of rectangle equal length reduct by width. Next question, number 35. If the shape has 3 sides and 3 corners, what is it called? We call it triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices or 3 corners. This place we called it vertices, or this point vertex, or 3 corners we called it vertices. So the result will be letter C, triangle. We called it a triangle. That was question 35. Next question. What is 72 divided by 9? We know 9 times what equals 22, table 9. 8 times 9 equals 22. 8 times 8 equals 64, and so on. So, when he asked you about this example, you must think, what is the result? 92 divided by 9 equal what? 9 times what equal 22? 9 times 8. So, the result here will be 8. You must write 8, okay? Question 37. Ahmed has 3 blue shirts and 4 shirts and 2 green shirts. What's the probability of picking red shirt? Red shirt, we have 4 red shirts, okay? From the total, 3 blue and 4 red shirts and also 2 green shirts. So the probability of picking a red shirt, we can raise the number of red shirts divided the sum of all them. Write 4 and 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2 equal 9. Then the result will be 4 over 9. Choose letter C for this example. Next question here, number 38. How many faces does a cube has? Oh, the cube. How many faces? We have 6 faces. Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces, okay? And how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. And the number of edges, 12 edges. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. So the number of faces of cube, 6 faces. Each face is a cube, is a face square. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces congruent. They're equal in the area. Okay. Then the number of faces of cube, it will be 6 faces. Choose letter B about this example. Next question. Who shows the following number is odd? We know 1, 3, 7, 5, 9. This number, we called it odd. Any number has 1, 3, 7, 5, or 9 in the ones, it will be odd. Like 15 is the odd, and 91 is the odd. We have the difference between odd number and even. We know 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, we called it even numbers. And 1, 3, 7, 5, 9, we called it odd number. And we know the prime number. Remember prime number? The prime number like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and so on. Any prime number has 2 factors, can divide it by itself and one only. And all prime numbers are odd without 2. The digit 2 is the only even prime number here. Okay? So review about odd and even and prime. In this example, he asked about odd. Like what? 1, 3, 7, 5, 9. Look at the ones of the number where we have 47. 7 in the ones is the odd. Then 47 we called it odd number. So the result here will be letter C. Choose letter C about this example. Okay. Next question. If a book costs 32 reals and you pay 3 boxes, how much do you pay in a total? Okay, we have 32, the price of one book. And you pay 3 boxes. How much will pay? We can write 32, the price of each one book, reduced by the number of boxes. 3 times 2 equals 6, and 3 times 3, 9. Then the total will be 96. 96 real. Next question, number 41. What is the number comes next pattern? 3, 6, 9, 12. He ate 3 all the time. The result will be 15. Okay, choose letter B. Next question. Question 42. If 8 groups of students each have 5 students, how many students are there in total? We can find the number of groups, product each students in each one. How many elements in each group? In each group, we have 5 students. Then the total number will be 5, product by 8 equal 40. Then the total number of students would be 40 students we have. Because we have 8 groups of students. Each have 5 students. How many students are there in the total? Right, 5 times 8. The number of groups 8. Each group contains of 5 students. Then the total of students 5 times 8 equal 40. Choose letter C. Next question number 43. How many millimeters in centimeter? We know 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. To convert it from centimeter to millimeter, you must subtract by 10. Then 5 centimeter, it will be 50 millimeter. 50 millimeter, choose letter E. Next question, 44. If you roll a fair die, what's the probability of getting a number greater than 4? Okay, we have the die like this. We have the space randomly of the die from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, he won't find the probability of getting a number greater than A. But is the event versus the number greater than 4, it will be 5 and 6. The probability of get this event a number greater than 4, it will be the number of element of this event divided the number of element in the space randomly. We have to only 5 and 6 from 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The result is the simplest form divided by 2 numerator and numerator. 2 divided by 2 equal 1 and 6 divided by 2 equal 3. Then the result will be third. Okay? Greater than 4, it will be 5 and 6. 2 digit over 6. Okay? 2 digit over 6. Choose letter B. Choose letter B. Okay? He won't write 2 over 6, not over 3. It's equivalent. Okay? But in this example, he gave me 2 over 6. So you must choose letter B. 2 over 6 or 1 over third. If you want to simplify it, you can divide it by 2. The result will be third. So the result will be 2 over 6 here. Next question. What is the missing number 144 divided by 12? We know 12 product by 12 equal 144. Okay, you must know 11 times 11 equal 121. 13 times 13 equal 169. 14 times 14 equal 196. 15 times 15 equal 225. You must know these numbers in your mind. So 12 times what equal 144? 12 times 12. Then in this example, 144 divided by what equal 12? Right, 144 divided by 12 equal 12. Next question 46. A playground is 15 meters long and 10 meter width. What's the perimeter? We know the perimeter of rectangle equal twice the sum of lengths and widths. It's the perimeter of rectangle. Okay? Then the perimeter equal twice product by sum of lengths and widths. The length here 15 meters and width was 10 meters. Then the perimeter equal twice 15 plus 10 equal 25. Then the perimeter equal 50 meter. Okay, the result will be letter D. Choose letter D. Next question 47. If triangle has angles 60 degree and 60 degree, what is the measure of the third angle? We know the sum of interior angles in a triangle equal 180 degree. Then we have 60 degree and 60 degree. Then the third angle here will be 100 subtract 180 subtract by sum of two angles. We can write 100 subtract by 120. The sum of two angles. Then the difference between them equals 60 degree. We called it acute angle triangle. And also this triangle, we called it equilateral triangle because 60 equals 60 equals 60. Then also all sides are equal in length. Then we called it equilateral triangle and acute angle triangle. Okay, so the result here will be letter C. If he asked you about the type of this triangle by sides, we can write equilateral triangle. And if he asked you about the type of this triangle about sides, we call it equilateral triangle. About angles, we called it an acute angle triangle, and about sides, we called it equilateral triangle. Next question. Question 48. A baker makes 36 cupcakes and bakes them into boxes of 6. How many boxes are there? We can write 36 divided by 6. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Then the number of boxes here, it will be 6. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Next question 49. Which fraction is equal 50%? 50%, it's meaning 50 over 100. We call it percentage. It's percentage ratio comparing between two numbers and second term 100. 50%, we call it percentage. You know percentage? Percentage is the ratio and second term is 100. Then 50% is the simplest. 50 divided by 50 equal 1. 100 divided by 50 equal 2. Then we have 1 over 2 in the simplest form. Choose letter A. Last question number 50. What is 5 product by 4 plus 6? We can write 5 product by 4 plus 6 here equal 10. And then 5 times equal 50. Choose letter C. Okay, it's last question. Understood? You must study hard all questions, solve by yourself again. Okay, goodbye.